Hey everyone, if your myChevrolet app isn't loading or keeps crashing, this video will help you fix it step by step with simple checks anyone can follow. Let's start with the most overlooked issue, server problems. Before tweaking your settings or reinstalling anything, check if the app is down for everyone. Open your browser and head to downdetector.com. In the search bar, type myChevrolet and take a look at the graph. If there's a spike in user reports, especially in the last few hours, that's a clear sign their servers are having issues. In that case, it's not your fault. The app won't work until the servers are stable again. Wait a while, maybe an hour or two, and then try reopening it. This one step alone can save you a lot of time. If the server status looks normal, the next thing is to update the app. Go to your Play Store or App Store and search for myChevrolet. If there's an update button, go ahead and tap it. Developers regularly release updates to fix bugs, improve speed, and keep up with newer phone systems. Using an outdated app is one of the biggest reasons why features stop working or crash unexpectedly. Once you update it, open the app again and see if the problem's gone. Chances are, this might be all you need. That's it for this video. If your app is still acting up, I've got more fixes coming up in the next videos. So hit like, subscribe, and check the description for useful links. Thanks for watching.